Good morning! What a beautiful day! I want to see Grandpa. Let's go outside. Good morning, Grandpa.
Good morning, Ben. Can you help me?
Sure. I'd love to help. Eat quickly and grow big, little cow.
The cow will grow faster than you.
Breakfast is ready. Come and eat.
After breakfast, let's take the cows out.
Great! I'm very excited.
Let's take the cows to the field.
Okay. I'm ready.
Hold the rope carefully.
The cows look happy today.
They love going to the field.
Yes, they do. Grandpa, look over there.
What do you see?
Some children are flying kites. Grandpa, may I play with them?
Yes, but don't go too far.
I promise. Thank you, Ben. Come and play with us. Thanks. I'd love to join you. Here, hold the kite string. Wow, this kite looks amazing. Ready? Let's run together. My kite is flying higher now. Keep running. Don't stop. The wind is perfect today. This is so much fun.
Here is some tea for you.
Thank you. Let's enjoy the beautiful view.
It's such a peaceful morning. Ben looks so happy in the countryside.
Yes, tomorrow is Ben's birthday. Let's have a party for him.
That's a wonderful idea. So happy. I'll go home and prepare for Ben's birthday. Please ask Ben's parents to buy everything from the market.
Sure, I'll tell them right away. Hello? Can you buy some food for Ben's birthday? Sure. I'll go to the market today. Please bring everything home before this evening. Ben, it's time to go home.
Okay, Grandpa. I'm coming. See you tomorrow, Ben. Grandpa, I'll come back next summer.
I'll be waiting for you.
We'll take the cows out again together. Grandpa, how long does it take before we can sell a cow?
About 2 years. Good cows need time to grow.
Raising cows looks easy. Maybe I'll raise cows with you one day.
Ben, go take a shower. I'll finish the work here.
Okay, Grandpa. If you need any help, just call me.
How was your day, Ben?
It was wonderful. I had so much fun. Tomorrow, I'll help you and Grandpa even more.
This countryside is so beautiful. I love the fresh air and the peaceful life. Would you like to live in the countryside